Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to rename legend in chart Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data, product name and total price. So here I'm going to create first chart. So to create chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab in charts group, click on the first option, insert column or bar chart. Just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the column chart is available. So I select the first one and that's it. Here you can see your chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. So here I just drag the corner point and increase the size of the charts. You can see you can easily increase the size of charts. Okay. And here I'm going to remove the chart title. Okay. To remove this chart title, go to the chart design tab. In chart layout group, click on the first option, add charts elements. Then click on the chart title and click on the none. And here you can see the chart title is removed. Now I'm going to add the legend. Again, go to the chart design. In chart layout, click on the add charts elements. And here just click on the legends. You can keep cursor on the right. You can see the right hand side, the legend is added, total price, top side, left side, and bottom side. See on the chart. Okay. Left side, top side. So I set here the right side. Okay. Just click on it. And here you can see the right side is legend is added. Okay. If you want to rename, just click on it and go to the chart design. In data group, click on the select data option. And here you can see one dialog box is open. Select data source and here the legend entries, total price. Okay. So in legend entry total price, I'm going to edit this name. Just click on the edit option and here the edit series dialog box is open. First the series name, you just remove this selection range and you can just enter the name. I just enter here the new name, sales data, and that's it. Click on OK. And here you can see the legend's name is changed, sales data, then click on OK. That's it. Here also sales data name is changed. Okay. So this is a way you can rename your legend in chart. And also, if you want to change the font style of this legend entry, you can change here. Just click on the legend and right click of the mouse and click on the fonts option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open font. Okay. So you can change your font style, font size, colors, and underline style you can use here. And different effects also you can use here. So I just click on the first font style. Okay. Just click on this drop down arrow. I select here the bold style, then I increase the size, just click on the up arrow. So I increase here the size 10, 20, 30. Okay. If you want to change the Latin text font, you can change here. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the different type of the font. Okay. And all text font color, just click on this drop down arrow and I select here the different color. I select this one. If you want to underline style, just click on this drop down arrow. I select the underline style. Underline style colors also you can select here. So I underline color, I select the here blue one. Okay, you can use here the different effects also on your the legend entries. Okay, I just click on OK and that's it. Here you can see the legend entry in red color and underline in blue color as I selected in font setting. Okay, so this way you can use here the different font. If you want to change the background color, right click of the mouse and then click on the format legends. And here you can see format legends is open. And in legend option, there are three options. First, fill and line. Second, effects. And third one, legend option. So click on the first option, fill and line. And in fill, there is automatic selected. If you want to fill a particular color in legend entries, just click on the drop down arrow and select here color those you want to fill. Okay, so I select this one. Okay, and I just close this and see here the color is filled. Okay, this is a way you can fill background color also on the legend entry. Okay, if you want to move anywhere, so you can just click on this legend entry Okay, and you can easily move anywhere also. See, just keep cursor on the corner line of the legend entry, and when this four arrow showing, then drag and set. Keep cursor on line of this legend entries, and this four arrow showing, then drag and you can set anywhere. You can increase the size of the legend also easily. Again, I keep cursor on line and drag and set here. That's it. So this is a way you can rename your legend entries and edit the font style, fill the colors, and that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.